welcome. I'm Kay from KLostWeight.com. And if you're here, you're ready to get started with my habits checklist, or maybe you're just stopping by to learn about some of the tools in my guide. So checklists like this were crucial to helping me reach my goal, and they're also pretty important for helping me maintain my current weight. So in my weight loss guide, I talk a lot about how these habits and consistently doing certain things helped me reach my weight loss goal. But this tracker, things like this tracker, make it much easier to hold yourself accountable and to actually continue to reach goals and make progress. So the sum of our lives are really, and I realized this eventually, a sum of certain actions repeated over and over. So when I looked at my own patterns in life, like relationships and finances and career, and of course, weight loss, I realized, what's the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. And that's what I was doing. And so I finally got really serious about it. And so this habits checklist was a key part in me making those changes. So let's take a look at it and get started. Okay, think of this habits checklist as taking small bites out of your goal. It's about giving yourself a visual tool to help you build consistency. So you can start by choosing the habits you want to focus on and write each habit in the left column under checklist. As an example, you could begin with habits that align with the tools in my guide, like completing your food diary. Remember, I logged my food, I realized I was eating too much, and that led to behavior changes and ultimately weight loss. So if you did that, what could you achieve in 7 days? You can also add mindset habits. Hopefully you've read the part of my guide where I talk about the importance of affirmations and meditation, and so you can add those as habits as well. The best part, it could be for any habits you want to master, because checking these habits off will not only feel good, but it will give you a dopamine boost. You'll begin to change your life. For me, it was making my bed. And remember, you can get creative here. Really, there are no rules. It can be whatever you want it to be. So I really hope that this habits checklist helps you on your journey. I love mine. I actually still use them daily. So if you're just stopping by and you haven't downloaded my 3 freebies, sign up for my mailing list, download my meditation tracker, my wellness and weight loss tracker, as well as my 10 weekly toning exercises. Those will help you get started. But if you're ready to get started, download my weight loss guide on KLostWeight.com. I want you to join me. I want you to reach your goals. It's exciting. I love it. Also, check out my weight loss affirmations video here on YouTube. It's open to everyone. And I go into how this really, and I mean really, helped me finally reach my goal on my weight loss guide. I talk about how those worked for me. You can also follow me on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. I would love to commune with you, get to know you. Please follow me.